This is episode 1. Normal day for Billy. Billy was an engine on the Arnold Solar. He used a Sunting engine. He did the truck's always made for him, but it was worth it. He met Tom. The next day he met Thomas. Hello, Thomas said Billy. Hello, Billy said Thomas. So what's you up to today? Said Thomas. Oh, nothing, said Billy. Just something. No, said Thomas. Do you like home? Okay, said Thomas. Bye now, Thomas. Trust away. Billy had an Bill wanted to play some church what he used them. Billy had ended the singer. Your Paxton wants the breakdown train. You took the breakdown train real hard and you raced away. To the docks. He arrived at the docks. Then he saw a person waiting. There's a car holding a red flag. Hey, you, said Billy to the cop. What, said the cop. Castle, donuts, and the car raced away. Percy thought that the cop had, but Salty did not see Percy, and Percy smashed the freight car right into Percy. Yes, then Thomas arrived at the docks. Holy guacamole, he said, what happened here? Oh, orange thing came and made me and Salty cry. Okay, so Thomas went away. Just then, wait. A big orange Billy hid back under the signal box. Thomas raced away. Just then he spoke to Paxton. Paxton, what happened? Oh, just minding my own business. So I didn't know and then boom, a big orange beam took the breakdown train and made me crash. Oh, that's terrible. I'm going to find more evidence, said Thomas. Thomas went away. Billy went to the docks. Billy went to the quarry. He wanted to play a truck on Mason D at the incline. He saw a man he collecting some letters. He was collecting some letters. Hey, you, said Billy to the little man. What, said the little man. That means you fly down the These all made us cry. It's a good thing that I call them to Justin. Walk inside and follow. Billy raced away. All the way and he spoke to Anderson Diesel. And they said the same thing as Percy, Salty, and Paxton. Billy was calling wet or wet nap. Saw Toby with his freight train and Edward back. Just Edward. Then he said, and he beep, was a peep beep. And then he said, Stafford, you can go. And Stafford took them. They hit where? And the car raced along the line. And the car hit all of it. Ah! He hit all of it. Went off the track. Ow, he said. That's so confident. Billy, I knew that you said all this because you wasn't me. Yes, it was. Sparky, Percy, Paxton, Mavis, and Diesel said that they were on it and it was funny. And I knew that it was you, Billy. So Thomas, it was me. So Tom, said Billy. Said we. But it was just so fun. Well, you walked all the way, and you caused confusion and delay. Yes, sir, said Billy. I know that, sir. Stop it. On the tank and the friends, it's just episode 1. Normal day for Billy. Billy was the engine on the Arnold Solo. He used a Sunting engine. He did the truck's always made for him, but it was worth it. The next day he met Thomas. Hello, Thomas, said Billy. Hello, Billy, said Thomas. So what's it up to today, said Thomas. Oh, nothing, said Billy. Just something. No, said Thomas. Do you wait home? Okay, said Thomas. Bye now, Thomas. Trust away. Billy had Bill wanted to play some church when he used them. Billy had ended the single. Yo, Paxton, what's the breakdown train? You took the breakdown train real hard and you raced away. To the docks. He arrived at the docks. Then he saw Sergeant Percy waiting. There's a car holding a red flag. Hey, you, said Billy to the car. What, said the car. Castle donuts and the car raced away. Percy thought that the car had, but Salty did not see Percy. And Percy smashed the freight car right into Percy. Yes, then Thomas arrived at the docks. Holy guacamole, he said. What happened here? Orange thing came and made me and Salty cry. Okay, so Thomas went away. Just then, wait. A big orange Billy hid back under the signal box. Thomas raced away. Didn't find Marvin, and just then he spoke to Paxton. Paxton, what happened? Just minding off my own business. So I didn't know what I'm saying. And then boom, a big orange beam took the breakdown train and made me crash. Oh, that's terrible. I'm going to find more evidence, said Thomas. Thomas went away. Billy went to the docks. Billy went to the quarry. He wanted to play a trick on Mavis and Dee at the incline. he saw a man he collecting some letters. He collecting some letters. He collecting some letters. Hey, you, said Billy to the little man. What? Said the little man. That means you fly down the He's on the square. It's a good thing that I call them to Justin. The walk hit it. Walk like that. And fall up. Billy raced away. All the way and he spoke to Anderson Diesel. And they said the same thing as Bessie, Shorty, and Pax. Billy was causing wet so wet now. Saw Toby with his freight train and Edward back. Oh, just Edward. Then he said, and he beat me with a peep peep. And then he said, Stafford, you can go and Stafford. So they hit and the car raced along the line. And the car hit all of it. How did he hit all of it? Off the track. Ow, he said. That's so close to the window. Billy, I knew that you stood on just because you wasn't me. Yes, it was. Auntie Percy, Baxter, Mavis, and Diesel said that they were on it and it was funny. And I knew that it was you, Billy. So Thomas, it was me. So Tom, said Billy. Said we. But it was just so fun. Well, you walked all the way and you caused confusion and delay. Yes, sir, said Billy. I know that, sir.